In this video, I will show you how you can reverse a TikTok video. So there's this trend where you need to reverse a video to find out the hidden message. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply reverse a TikTok video. So first of all, you will need to download the video, okay? So go to the video. This is one of my videos, and then click on Save Video. I'm going to click on Allow, and then right now it's actually saving the video. So step number one would be to save the video. Okay, there you go. Next up, you want to leave TikTok and you want to go to google.com and you want to search for reverse a video. So go to Google and search for reverse a video. Next up, click right there and go to sgif.com. Now, if you scroll down, you can choose a file and it's then going to reverse that video. Next up, you want to make sure to select the TikTok video and then click on Upload Video. Then what it's going to do, it's going to reverse the video for you. Then next up, you want to click on that blue reverse video button, okay? And then they will actually reverse the video for you. If you click on play, you can see that the video is now reversed. Now next up, if you want to download that, you can click right there and click on download. And that's exactly how you can reverse a TikTok video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next video.